Hope so you are done your chapter number 2 at the initial portion. Now we are at the end of exercise 2.1 and very easy exercise. The Cartesian product, a last sum. Number of A has 3, number of B has 2. That means set A has 3 elements, set B has 2 elements. This is order pair belongs to A cross B. Find A and B. That means we have to find out set A and set B respectively. Okay, X and Y is a member of A cross B. That means first member coming from A and second member coming from B. Therefore X is a member of A and 1 is a member of B. It's very clear. A has 3 members. Y2 belongs to A cross B. Therefore Y is a member of A. First member in first set, second member in second set. Y is a member of A and 2 is a member of B. B has 2 members, 1 and 2. Now Z into 1 is a member of A cross B. Because Z is coming from A and 1 is coming from B. Z is a member of A and 1 is a member of B. 1 is repeated. Therefore A has 3 members, X, Y, Z. Yes sir. A has 3 members, X, Y, Z. B has a 2 member, 1 and 2. Clear sir? Now next one is A cross A has a 9 elements. Minus 1, 0 and 0, 1 is a member of A cross A. Then find remaining elements of A cross A. Very simple. A cross A has a 9 member. Among 2 are given. Okay. Now minus 1, 0 is a member of A cross A. There minus 1 coming from A, 0 is coming from A. Minus 1 and 0 both are in A. Minus 1, 0 both are in A. 0, 1 is a member of A cross A. Therefore 0 is a member of A and 1 is a member of A. Therefore A is equal to minus 1, 0 and 1. Okay, we can find out A. Now find out A cross A. A cross A equal to minus 1, 0, 1 cross minus 1, 0, 1. Now let minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 1. I write down all 9 members, but you have to write down only 7 members because we have asked a question. Find remaining elements from A cross A. Means remaining elements we have to write down. But I write down all the members. 0 to minus 1, 0 to 0, 0 to 1, 0 to minus 1, 0 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to minus 1, 1 to 0 and 1 to 1. Okay, that means Cartesian product is now completed. Now let a domain, codomain and range. We know that domain, that means first members of all order pair, and range means all second members of order pair. Let us see here very simple example. A equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 14. Relation R is between order pair XY such that 3x minus y is equal to 0 where x and y belongs to A. Both x and y is a member of A. Okay, find domain, codomain and range. Very simple sir. Here x and y from A, that means A to A range. A to A relation, sorry. A to A relation. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Let bigger. Okay, let this is bigger. Venn diagram. I draw a Venn diagram. Similarly 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. Very simple sum. 3x minus y equal to 0. Let x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to 3x. X equal to 1. Then y equal to 3. Okay, this is Venn diagram. X equal to 2. X is from here and y from here. X equal to 2, then y equal to 6. X equal to 3. 3 3s are 9. X equal to 4. 3 4s are 12. X equal to 5, then 15. 15 is not a member. That's why your domain is 1 2 3 4. Members from A which are associate with B, it is called domain. Therefore, domain is equal to 1 2 3 4 associate members of A. Okay, range associate member from here 3 6 9 12. 3 6 9 12. Is this clear? Associate member from A, it is called domain. Associate member from subsidiary A, it is called range. And codomain. Codomain means all members of A, all members which are associate or not associate. It means 1 2 3 up to 14. Very easy, sir. Okay, associate members are say as a domain. These all are associate members. And codomain means associate and non-associate, all members are come. And range, that means associate member from second class. Now 2. Define relation R on N. Relation defined on N. N means every natural number. Relation R is equal to xy such that y is equal to x plus 5. Where x is less than 4, x is less than 4, x and y belongs to N. Very simple. R is equal to, x is equal to 1, put here 1. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. X is equal to 2 here. Then 2 plus 5 equal to 7, less than 4. X is equal to 3. 3 plus 5 equal to 8 is equal to 1. X is less than 4, that's why we not take here 4. That's why range is and domain is. First write down domain. Domain is first members of 1, 2 and 3. And range means second member 6, 7 and 8. Again I will repeat. First members of order pair known as the domain, and second member of order pair is known as range. Very simple example and very simple definition of domain and range. Third example, A is equal to 1 2 3 5, B is equal to 4 6 7. Relation R from A to B. Relation R from A to B. Draw a Venn diagram. Very simple. Without Venn diagram you can easily write down. But I want to draw here Venn diagram. It is so simple to explain me. 1 2 3 and 5. 4 6 4 6 9. X and Y. Difference between X and Y is odd. Difference between X and Y is odd, where every X coming from A and every Y coming from B. Difference between X and Y is odd. Very good. 1 minus 4 minus 3. Yes, it is odd. This is relation. 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. Yes, it is relation. 1 minus 9, it is minus 8. Minus 8 is even, not. It is not a relation because difference between X and Y is odd. 2 minus 4 minus 2, even, not relation. 2 minus 6 minus 4, even, not relation. 2 minus 9 minus 7, it is odd, relation. 2 has only one relation, 1 has two relation. 3 minus 4 minus 1 relation. 3 minus 6 yes relation. 3 minus 9, 3 minus 9 equal to minus 6 not relation. 5 to 4, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 relation. 5 minus 6 minus 1 relation. 5 minus 9 is equal to minus 4, it is even not relation. Is this clear? Now write R, write relation in roster form. Roster form is this: 1 to 4, 1 to 6, 2 to 9, 3 to 4, 3 to 6, 5 to 4, and 5 to 6. Okay, very easy sum. Now try yourself remaining sums and worksheet. I have already given you a worksheet with solution. Please, you can understand these all examples very well and try yourself remaining example and do more and more example and more practice. Okay, bye, thanks.